Welcome back to another error video. If you are facing problem with Discord screen share is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, when you are facing this problem, go to the search bar and search here Discord and right click on it and click on the run as administrator. After doing this step, check your problem. If it is persist, then next solution is go to the Discord and click on the user setting and go to the app settings section and click on voice and videos. Now scroll down and check video codec should be disabled. If it is enabled, then disable it and scroll down and go to the screen share option and it should be enabled. If it is disabled, then enable it and close your app and restart again and check the problem. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.